Hello beauties, welcome to my channel. If you would like to see how I achieve this frontal sew-in, just keep on watching. First, I'm going to start off with her already braided down, and I'm just adding a stocking cap that is close to her scalp color. Now I'm going in with the Got To Be Ultra Glue, the Invincible Styling Gel in the black tube. And I'm going to apply 3 layers of this and blow dry. And when I say 3 layers, I mean I will apply it first, lining it up to where I want the frontal to actually lay. And then I'll blow dry it. Then I'll put more gel on there, blow dry it again, and put more gel on there and blow dry it again to get the tackiness that I need. Now that I have the tackiness that I like, I'm going to go ahead and follow that up with cutting off the excess cap in the front. Now I'm just putting it on her frontal, making sure it is even on both sides. Then I'm going to go in and part her ears off and cut them out. Now that I have her ears cut out, I'm going to go in with a so-called elastic band and sew that to the frontal and apply it. It's not an elastic band, but you got to work with what you have. It's actually the perimeter of just a regular stocking cap, but it worked. Now that I have it lined up to where I want it to be, I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off. And you don't want to cut like straight across in a straight line. Now that I have her lace off, I'm just going to take my oil and mark off the back of her frontal. And that can just help me know where I need to sew her cap down. And I'm just going to sew from one side to the other and then back to the start and back to the side that I started on. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to just go in and cut the back of that cap off. And I'm going to go in with the weaving net and put that on the back calf. Alright, then go ahead and cut the extra net off. And after you do so, some look something sort of like that. Then you can go ahead and put the frontal back on, place it where it needs to be. You also want to place it just a tidbit farther up than where you actually want it to lay. Because as you sew, it kind of pulls back, but you have to pull forward as you sew. I know it sounds like a lot, but you will see. And hold it. Just when you pull in your knot, just pull the lace too. And this should be what you get when you are done, honey. And then I'm just go in with that first bundle. Just sewing back and forth straight, not in the U shape. Because if you sew back and forth and start it into a U shape, it's gonna create bulkiness at the top of the frontal when it's time to close it off. And if you continue to sew back and forth straight across and not in the U, when you get to the top, it'll be just easy, simple. Just continue to sew across the back of the frontal, and these will be your results. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.